Today we're doing a fast 10-minute bubble butt workout, no equipment, just body weight moves to lift, shape, and tone your glutes. Let's get started. We're going to be on all fours for this move, and we're going to put that leg up in fire hydrant position and pulse just a few feet off the mat. We're going to pulse and draw in our core as we go. You should definitely feel this in your side glutes. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. Let's start in the same position. We're going to pop that leg up into a fire hydrant, but then we're going to do a kick and then bring it back down. Our goal is to do this with control, making sure we're not going too fast and really pacing ourselves. We're going to keep this up for 30 seconds and then we'll switch. We're going to be lying on our backs for this move, bringing that booty up and then down with control. After 30 seconds, we are going to switch to glute bridge pulses, where we're pulsing our booty up and down a few inches off the mat. Get ready for the switch. We're going to do a donkey kick hold here. This really looks like an easy move, but it burns, especially when we get done with the 30 seconds. We're going to really engage our glutes here, keeping that leg up, squeezing those glutes as we go. After 30 seconds, we'll switch to the other side. We're going to do kickbacks here, where we bring that leg back and kick it back as we go, engaging our core tightening our core and squeezing our glutes as we do each kickback. We're gonna keep this going for 30 seconds and then we'll switch. Let's start by standing on the mat, and then we're going to kneel down on the mat, one leg at a time, and then come back up, squeezing those glutes. Y'all, this is definitely a glute and thigh builder move. After 30 seconds, we are going to add a double squat to this move. We're going to be in a side kneeling position for this move as we bring that leg in and out, drawing in our core, squeezing our glutes. Let us know below. Are you feeling the burn? Go ahead and comment a fire emoji, because if you're anything like me, you are definitely feeling it right now. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. Let's go ahead and line our backs for this move. We're gonna put one leg over the other, and then we are going to do a glute bridge raise here, lifting up those hips and that booty, bringing it back down, and then popping it right back up. Our main goal for this workout is control. We wanna make sure that we don't move too fast. We have that mind and muscle connection so that we can see gains. We have made it to the last exercise of the workout. Y'all, we are almost done. We're gonna be lying on our bellies for this move, and we are going to do reverse singles here, almost like a reverse kickback. We're definitely gonna feel this in our glutes as we squeeze and bring that leg up. After 30 seconds, we're gonna switch to the other leg. Yes, y'all, we did it. Awesome job. For best results, try running through this workout twice in one session. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment to let me know how your glutes feel after this one. If you're anything like me, you definitely felt the burn. So I'll be real with you. I was super skeptical when I first saw creatine in gummy form. I thought, no way that actually works. But I decided to give CreaGums 30 days, and here's what I noticed. First, it's way easier than powders. No mix, no mess, just pop a gummy. They're low in sugar, they taste great, and still they pack a punch with every bite. In my workouts, I don't feel as tired. I've got so much energy, I can push harder, and I've actually been feeling like I can hit some new goals. On top of that, recovery just feels smoother, and building muscle has honestly got so much easier when I add this to my routine. So yeah, I went from being a total skeptic to a believer. CreaGums are simple, tasty, and effective. And here's the best part. You can try your first bottle for free using my link down in the description. So don't overthink it. Just give it a shot. I think you'll feel the difference too. In the mood for another workout? Well, I got you covered. There's an amazing option to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.